Hello, this is Jason. I'm going to a meetup where we're going to do some painting. And I guess you get some coffee here. It's at the Calm Bar. And it's right here down this alley. $15. Entry fee. Which includes some canvas and the paints and Saudi Cup. And do the painting thing outside. Okay. Saudi Cup. Hello.
Meetup?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason. Okay. Can I get that email? Yes. I can just check. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, you can wait the hold for the painting for me, and you can find the inspiration if you want to painting something. Okay. Because host wanna see your picture and prepare the color something.
Oh, okay, amazing. All right.
And she will guide to you.
Okay.
Yes.
Sounds good.
And this one for the drink, you can choose the coffee, tea. Yes.
Okay. Do I need a wristband?
Okay.
What's your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy? Okay.
I have one food activity.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I bet you're better than me.
Oh, that's her?
Yeah, you can. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Alana.
Ilana, I'm Jeremy.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
And Jason,
Hey, Jason, Jeremy.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
to meet you.
Hello,
Meet you.
I'm Thai.
Thai? Are you Thai too?
Bye.
Help you remember.
Yes,
Chu Thai, Ben Kun Thai.
You American?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. You live here?
No, just visiting.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was in Chiang Mai for a month last month, and then staying here for a month.
Yeah, Chiang Mai's amazing. Isn't
Yeah, it's nice. About 10 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than here.
it? Yeah. What do you like better? Fragrance or?
Well, there's more to do here in Bangkok,
Yeah.
but I do like the nature aspect and
Yeah,
the
it's
cooler weather. And
Yeah.
I rented a motorcycle and did the Hong Song Loop too, all up around
Amazing. Yeah.
around up
Did you
to
do that by
Pai.
yourself?
No, I went with a group. There was like 4 other guys,
Nice, yeah.
so it was cool.
Yeah, awesome.
I think I'm gonna paint this bad boy.
Or what is
I'm
it?
just gonna,
There you go.
I'm just gonna paint this bad boy.
There you go. Here's mine.
Is
Yeah.
wow.
You guys don't mind.
What are you gonna do?
You guys-
What are you gonna do?
It's like an alien.
What? How did that come to mind?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was abducted. I have subconscious memories.
Learning a lot about each other. Can I eat spicy?
Yes.
No.
I am Thai, but I cannot eat spicy.
You can't eat spicy. Oh.
Pumpkin pad thai. Pumpkin pad thai.
Oh. What does that mean?
I could eat spicy.
Oh, you can. Okay.
I'm gonna hang this on the wall of my hotel and leave it there.
Oh yeah. So people to
Yeah.
enjoy.
They'll be like, where did this art come from?
Wow, who created this? It's going to increase the value of your hotel.
You like?
Yes.
Narak Mai? Narak Mai?
Looks amazing.
Good. Wow, man. Good stuff.
Narak Mai?
Wow, you look shadowing and everything. Wow. Illuminati.
At Egypt, right? I see pyramid at Egypt, right?
Yeah.
Illuminati.
Egypt.
Yeah. Of everyone's
Oh, you wanna, okay.
piece of artwork. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
I will take a
Let's
photo
see.
together.
Oh, I got it
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
There's a little.
There's one.
Finish?
I can be, yeah.
Yeah, we tired?
Nice. If I was to do it again, I'd leave the UFO out. It was too hard.
Can you put it? I will just put it.
Yeah.
That looks great. The shadowy, with contrast.
You finish?
Yes, I'm finished.
Narak.
I will take a video.
All right.
Thank you, it's so fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Great. Yeah.
Not too serious. Not too.
Yep. Better than dying in bed, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I would do that again.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Neato.
All right. That was a fun outing. I like events where we have some type of activity to do. I don't even think I'm going to go to any events that are just meeting people and talking, because the conversations are not stimulating. It's all the same stuff. Oh, where are you from? What are you doing? How long you been in Bangkok? Blah, blah, blah. So I like going doing stuff like this, where either you're playing games or doing some sort of activity together. So that was a good one. Worth 15 bucks to me. And I'm gonna hang this painting up in the in my hotel. Leave it there. Work of art. All right. Well, that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.